Welcome to today's webinar. Today, we are going to be speaking about success beneath the surface, unlocking the subconscious mind at work, the hidden beliefs quietly running your business. My name is Jo Ransom. I'm from Life Strategies and Consulting, as well as the not-for-profit Aligned Initiative 1.61. So let's get into it. How does your subconscious mind shape success? And how can we rewire that? So let me start with a simple question. Have you ever known what to do in your business, but still found yourself hesitating, procrastinating, or undercharging? You might have the strategy, you might have the skills, you might even have proof that your work delivers results. And yet, something invisible pulls the handbrake on. So I'm going to reference the book by Joseph Murphy, In the Power of Your Subconscious Mind. He says this: whatever you impress upon the subconscious mind is expressed on the screen of space as condition, experience, and event. And in business terms, this means your subconscious beliefs are quietly running the show, whether you're aware of them or not. So today we're going to talk about how subconscious beliefs form, the most common beliefs holding small business owners back, and how to begin rewiring them in a practical, grounded way. So the subconscious mind, your business autopilot. Joseph Murphy describes the subconscious mind as a storehouse of habits, beliefs, emotional memory, and learned responses. Think of it like this: your conscious mind sets goals, and your subconscious mind decides what feels safe, allowed, or possible. So you can consciously say, I want to earn more, but if your subconscious believes success means stress, money causes problems, if I'm invisible, I'll be judged, people like me don't succeed, your business will stall, not because you're lazy or incapable, but because your nervous system is protecting you. So your subconscious mind doesn't care about success. It cares about familiarity and safety. So where do these beliefs come from? Most of our core beliefs were formed in childhood or adolescence, in early work experiences, through observing authority figures, through moments of emotional intensity, and even through generational patterns passed down. Joseph Murphy reminds us, the subconscious mind accepts whatever the conscious mind believes. So many small business owners unconsciously carry beliefs like, hard work equals burnout. I have to struggle to earn money. If I grow, I'll lose balance. I'm good at helping, just not selling. So these beliefs are rarely logical, but they are emotionally learned. And emotion is the language of the subconscious mind. So the top subconscious beliefs holding business owners back. Let's name a few of the most common ones that I see. Number one, it's not safe to earn more. This often shows up as avoiding price increases, over-delivering, undercharging, feeling guilty about profit. Number two, visibility equals judgment. This leads to inconsistent marketing, fear of being seen, avoiding speaking, posting, or pitching. Number three, success means sacrifice. This creates overworking, difficulty resting, and guilt when things feel easy. Number four, I'm not enough yet. This belief hides behind endless courses, over-preparing, and waiting for confidence instead of building it. So these beliefs are mental programs, and programs can be changed. So how does the subconscious actually change? Here's the key distinction. The subconscious mind does not respond to willpower. It responds to repetition, emotion, imagery, and felt experience. This is why affirmations fail when they feel fake. Instead of forcing, I am successful, Murphy suggests gentle, believable impressions such as, I am becoming more comfortable with success. It is safe for my business to grow. My work is valuable and people benefit from it. So your subconscious learns through felt truth, not pressure. So a simple rewiring practice for business owners, a night reprogramming practice can incorporate things such as, number one, at night just before sleep, ask yourself, what belief do I want my business to operate from? Number two, choose one sentence that feels calming, not forced. My business supports me safely and sustainably. I allow success without stress. I am supported as I grow. Then number three, repeat it slowly for 2 to 3 minutes. No effort, no pushing, just repetition. This is how we impress the subconscious mind, because the mind is most receptive when it's relaxed in theta state. So the real shift. Joseph Murphy ends his work with a powerful reminder. Change your thoughts and you change your destiny. But I'll add this. Change the emotional beliefs underneath your thoughts and your business changes naturally. You don't need more hustle. You don't need to be more disciplined. You don't need to fix yourself. You need to align your subconscious mind with success you're consciously working towards. Because when your inner world feels safe with growth, your outer business follows. So the process I use is the Richards Trauma Process, TRTP. It's a 3 to 4 step elegant process which goes to the root of the cause, and we discover where those beliefs were formed. Then we take action. We change those beliefs to the positive for good and cut off those videotape loops of distress or stress of the past, which are locking in those unhelpful beliefs. And then we prepare you to create a new positive future moving forward. You'll find your nervous system is returned to calm. Your prefrontal cortex, your thinking brain, is now working effectively. And you can create a positive new life once we've done the groundwork, which is changing those neural pathways and beliefs. So it is possible. And if you would like to get in touch with me, you can reach out to me via email, jo.lsc@outlook.com, or go to my website at lifestrategiesco.com.au. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.